Hi there, Pickling here. Well, it looks like I'm just standing in front of sweet peas, but I actually have lots of cucumbers growing in pots with these sweet peas. So there's some wire trellises up the middle of some very large diameter pots, and I have cucumbers and sweet peas growing in them. So I have 4 pots like that, and I haven't harvested cucumbers in several days now, maybe even might be close to a week, which cucumbers don't do well with. So I need to go through here. I know there's some really large cucumbers in here, and just pick off what I can just to keep the plants producing, and hopefully I can get some pickles or something made, or maybe find someone who would enjoy them. I don't know if you could see a hummingbird just flew past me. So I just need to get them picked though, because if you just keep leaving them, the plants stop producing and the cucumbers just get large and not good for anything. So I'm just gonna go through, pick the cucumbers. I have a few varieties, so I'll try and remember to let you know what varieties I'm picking as I pick, and we'll just see what we get in the end. So let's get some cucumbers picked today. So this first pot I'm gonna be picking off of is Babylon. I can see one right here. So they're a nice smooth cucumber. You can use them just for general eating, like an English cucumber, or I've used them for pickling and they work fairly well for that as well. This one's actually out of the next pot. So these are out of the pot beside. Some of them had grown over onto the Babylon trellis, but this is National Pickling. And you can see they're a fatter cucumber, but they are a pickling cucumber. They've won awards for their qualities for pickling. Some more National Pickling, 3 more. Another National Pickling, so you can see this is the size, shape you kind of want. This one's a little overgrown. So we're just going around to the other side of those pots there. So it's the same 2 pots that I dug off the other side there. And I can see some more quarantine hanging there. I don't know how you are picking them up, but another one back there. I'm not sure what we have for National Pickling, but strewn right out there. So let's see what else we can find. Quarantine. No, Babylon, sorry. So that's Babylon. Oh, there's more I see. Another one here. This is a National Pickling, so 1 Babylon, 1 National Pickling. Another Babylon. And I see mega National Pickling down here. Look at those. It's almost like a squash. National Pickling. There's some more down there. So when they get like this, you might be able to save the seeds out of it. That's a National Pickling. See how it's turning yellow in the end? Way too far gone, that one. They hide in here. You think it'd be easy to see, but they're not. So that's another Babylon. National Pickling. The National Pickling, some of them are growing really weird this year. There's another National Pickling in here. Okay, so I think that's all of those 2 varieties. Pretty big basket already. Some are way too far gone. There's Buster. You Bus? He just had a bath. Yeah. So let's go see the other pots are on the other side of the greenhouse. That's beans. And here's 2 more pots of cucumbers. So here we have patio snacker, though I don't think they are. I think they're quarantine. They're growing way too long. They don't seem right for patio snacker. Or market more, actually. I think I did 2 sowings because the first sowing didn't seem to grow. I've never grown market more before, and these are growing like nothing I've ever grown before. So I think that's what they are, is market more. And then over here is the gherkins, and you can see a great big one there hanging. So I'm gonna get to picking these. Nice, over here it's shadier, so that's a bonus. So let's start over here on the gherkins. Way bigger than I want them to be, but like I said, I just haven't been out here. I'm kind of in and out of town and busy with things. So as an example, this is a really nice gherkin. That's how you'd kind of want to pick at that, or a little smaller. This is what I'm picking off. Not ideal, but still will work. One more look through here. Where'd you go? There's 2, 4, 6 more gherkins. These are somewhat of a better size, though again, some are just growing weird this year. Usually when I grow them up in trellises, they don't do that, but. So we'll move over. They're really long, narrow, like an English cucumber. See that one there? So these can be left a little longer, it seems. Oh, there's a gherkin way over here, or a patio. Oh, so there is. Okay, so there might have been, yeah, I probably planted twice at 2 different things and we ran out of seeds going, because that's a patio snacker, I'm sure. That's, I think, a market more. There's another one. Looks like there's a couple more down through the middle if I can get to them. I didn't really think about that when I decided to grow them up on these. These trellises are formed in triangles. And with a spiny cucumber plant, it can make it a little tricky to get in there to get them harvested. There's one more I need to go to the back for. Oh, there's 2 back here, and I think are ready. Okay, so I got a bunch more off the back, and while I was back there, I finally found the tag to figure out what this is exactly. So I threw out a few suggestions, but they were all wrong. This is summer dance, this variety. So I figured I should have a tag there somewhere, but I've been looking for it for a few months now, and somehow I just managed to see it. So, and then this here would be the patio snacker, and it's just gotten a bit big. Usually they're a nice smaller cucumber for just kind of a snack size. But these summer dance I'm really liking. So now I'm glad I finally found the tag so I know what they are, so I can make sure I have seeds for next year, because it's a very nice cucumber. So here's my basket of cucumbers. I knew I hadn't been out here in a while, and some of them, like I said, have gotten just crazy overripe, like this one here. But most of them should be salvageable, and I'll have to make a batch of pickles or relish or something with them. I don't really know quite yet what I'm going to do with them, but we'll get something to use them up, because I don't want them to go to waste. And now that the large cucumbers are off of those plants, the plants will be able to produce more and keep growing and being nice and healthy. If you just leave these on, they're just working on setting seed and they're not going to continue producing as much of a crop. So now they should keep going. I was a little worried when I first planted the plants that get kind of some more afternoon shade, but I actually think those plants are healthier and looking better than the ones that are getting full sun, and they're a little less protected. My yard is fairly protected from the winds, but those are even more protected, the ones in the shade. So it might be something to consider when I'm planning my cucumber planting for subsequent years. But I hope you enjoyed coming along with me to just pick a few cucumbers and spend a little bit of time in the yard. And let me know what your garden is doing. Have you been making pickles, relish? What do you do with your cucumbers? I have trouble eating a lot of them raw, but I do like to take one every morning and blend it up in my little personal blender cup with some water, a couple slices of lemon, and some basil. A really nice treat with a little bit of chia seeds is great too. So a nice refreshing way to start my day on a hot day. So what do you do with your cucumbers? Let me know in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.